Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into one of your body's most incredible systems, one that's literally faster than thought itself. Let's get into it. You know that feeling, right? You touch something scorching hot, and your hand flies back before your brain even registers, ouch. It feels almost like magic, doesn't it? But it's not. It's this brilliant piece of biological engineering. So how on earth does your body react before your brain even gets the message? Well, the answer is an amazing built-in safety mechanism. Think of it like an emergency shortcut in your nervous system that is all about one thing: speed. It's designed to protect you from harm, and it does it in a flash. Okay, so before we go any further, it's super important to get two terms straight because they get mixed up all the time. The reflex action is the thing you actually see, pulling your hand away from the hot stove. But the reflex arc, that's the invisible, high-speed pathway that makes the action happen in the first place. One is the journey, the other is the result. So here's the bottom line. The reflex arc is the physical wiring for your body's own emergency alert system. It's a direct line from the danger zone right to the response team. And crucially, it cuts out the main command center, your brain, just to save those precious, precious milliseconds. So how does this neural superhighway actually work? Come on, let's trace the journey of a single nerve impulse. It's a fascinating 5-step process that happens, and I mean this literally, in the blink of an eye. And here they are. This is the entire path, the whole shebang. From the very first trigger to that final life-saving action, every single signal involves these 5 key players. So let's break them down one by one. Step 1, it all starts right here with the receptor. Think of the receptor as the lookout, the guard on the front lines. It's constantly checking your environment. The second it detects a threat, like the crazy heat from a flame, bam, it sounds the alarm by firing off an electrical signal. Okay, the alarm has been raised. Now the sensory neuron grabs that message and just runs. Its only job is to get that emergency signal from the point of danger to the local command center, the spinal cord, as fast as humanly possible. No detours, no delays. Now this is the absolute heart of the shortcut. Instead of wasting time sending the message all the way up to the brain for a committee meeting, the interneuron acts like a local dispatcher right there inside the spinal cord. It gets the emergency signal and immediately makes an executive decision, redirecting it on the spot. All right, we're on the home stretch now. The motor neuron takes the new order from the spinal cord's command center and carries it straight back to the front lines. And the message couldn't be simpler. Move now. And here it is, the grand finale. The effector, which in this case is a muscle in your arm, gets the command and executes it without a moment's hesitation. It contracts instantly, yanking your hand away from the danger. The reflex arc is complete, and you've just been saved from a nasty burn. So this brings up the big question, right? Why cut the brain out of the loop? I mean, it's the most powerful computer we have. Well, when you're talking about preventing immediate physical harm, one thing matters more than anything else: pure, unadulterated speed. This quote from our source material just hits the nail on the head. Involving the brain adds processing time. Time to think, time to consider, time to decide. But in a reflex, there is no time to think. There is only time to act. And just how much faster are we talking? Well, a conscious reaction, like you deciding to hit the brakes in your car, takes about 200 milliseconds. But a spinal reflex? It can happen in less than 50. Those milliseconds that you save by bypassing the brain can be the difference between a minor ouch and a serious injury. It's an absolutely brilliant piece of evolutionary efficiency. And this incredible system isn't just for touching hot things, not at all. It is working for you constantly, in the background, protecting you in dozens of ways you probably never even notice. I mean, think about it. Every single time you blink because a bit of dust flies toward your face, or you cough when something goes down the wrong pipe, that's a reflex action protecting you. Sneezing, even yawning, these are all rapid, involuntary responses managed by your nervous system to keep you safe and keep your body in balance. And this really shows us what happens when that high-speed connection gets damaged. Conditions that harm the protective insulation around our neurons, that's called the myelin sheath, they can slow that signal way down. It's like having faulty wiring. The result is delayed reactions, which just goes to show how vital this perfectly tuned system is for our everyday safety. So, the next time you jerk your hand away from a hot pan or blink at a sudden bright light, just take a second to appreciate that silent, incredible 5 step journey that just saved you in a fraction of a second. It's a pretty amazing reminder that our bodies are performing these incredible feats of engineering all the time, just beneath the surface of our awareness.